In this video, I'm going to show you how to plug a tire while the tire is off the car. There's the nail right there. Here's the necessary tools we're going to need. A couple pair of pliers, tire tools. First things first, you want to get ready with the tire plug. Put the plug in the tool here. Get ready like that right there. Put your little bit of glue on there, like so. Just a little TT of glue, that's all we need. That glue is for just an extra seal. Second thing we're gonna do is get the screw out. Look at that. Let's get something a little bigger. That's a pretty big nail. Those pliers is trash. Here we go. Look at that. Big nail. Next, we go inside the hole here. Right in the hole. Work it in there. Back and forth, back and forth. Like that right there. Next step we gonna do is push the plug in. Once you pull the file out, go in with your plug. Push the plug all the way in. Once that plug start going in, just pull it back out. Take a razor blade and just cut the rest of it off. Razor blade or whatever you got to cut with, really. Once you get those two little pieces cut off, that's it. That tire is now plugged and good as new. If this video was any help to you, do me a favor. Hit that like and subscribe button. Leave a comment. Ask some questions. Peace.